Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use margin on Robinhood. Margin allows you to borrow funds from Robinhood to increase your investing power beyond your available cash. To qualify, you'll need a Robinhood Gold account and a minimum of $2,000 in your portfolio. While margin can potentially boost your returns, it also significantly increases your risk, so understanding its mechanics is crucial. To be eligible for margin, you must subscribe to Robinhood Gold. This membership costs $5 per month, which includes your first $1,000 of margin without additional interest. Beyond that initial $1,000, a variable interest rate applies to any borrowed funds. Remember, a minimum portfolio value of $2,000 is also a continuous requirement for margin access. It's vital to regularly monitor your margin, buying power, and maintenance excess within your Robinhood account. If your portfolio value drops too low, you could face a margin call. This means you'll need to deposit additional funds or sell some of your securities quickly to meet the minimum requirements. Failing to do so can lead to forced liquidation of your assets. When using margin, always proceed with caution and a well-defined investment strategy. Avoid over-leveraging your portfolio, particularly during periods of market volatility, as this can quickly lead to significant losses. It's wise to maintain sufficient cash or easily sellable assets in your account to cover potential margin calls. Thoroughly understand all risks before engaging in margin trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.